We are given two equations representing the cost of pens and notebooks and need to find the cost of one pen and one notebook using matrices. We start by defining our variables and writing down the given system of equations based on the problem statement. We convert our system of equations into a matrix equation format to utilize matrix operations for solving the system. We calculate the determinant of matrix A to find its inverse, which is necessary for solving the system of equations. We compute the inverse of matrix A using the determinant found in the previous step. We use the inverse of matrix A to solve for the vector x, which contains the costs of one pen and one notebook. We calculate the product of the inverse of A and B to find the values of x and y, which represent the cost of one pen and one notebook, respectively.